Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Leek back with another Wash and Go Wednesday. Go ahead and cue that intro so we can get into it. Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Leek with all things LiqueTheNailGeek. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click my logo at the bottom right. And if you haven't followed me on social media, why haven't you? LiqueTheNailGeek. Check out my website, LiqueTheNailGeek.com. And if you aren't new, welcome back. Your girl truly appreciates the support. So I've already rinsed out the deep conditioner, and you guys, my hair feels so soft and moisturized just by using that deep conditioner. Now I'm applying the CurlSmith curl oiling cream, which is the leave-in, and I'm going to top that with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Smoothie, which I'll show you that in a minute. I am oiling my scalp. I do use Moroccan oil and Jamaican Black Castor oil to oil my scalp. So just see me oiling my scalp, especially when I'm doing a protective style. I want to make sure that my scalp stays oiled up and moisturized, especially at the roots and at the ends. I'm just going to rake that through. I will show you. There you go. That's the Jamaican Black Castor oil that I use. And now I'm applying a Moroccan oil, the Argan Moroccan oil. And I'm going to rake that in with my Tangled Teaser. From roots to ends, getting that first section ready, and that's the smoothie. So I'm going to apply that and then just twist it on down. We're just going to do mini twists in the back, and in the front I'm going to do flat twists. You want to make sure you start at the root and go all the way to the end. I'm going to scrunch it, shake it, and go to the next section. Apply the smoothie. And then twist it on down. You saw I finger pulled there. I didn't like how loose that one was becoming, so I went ahead and retwisted the first one. You will know I don't use a lot of gel, so sometimes I do have to retwist it in order to get it to stick. I don't want it to come loose anytime soon. I try to keep this style up at least for 3 to 4 weeks. So I'm just continuing to twist the back section, the current section I'm working with. And as you see, I'm doing more like medium size. I wouldn't say mini twist per se. I'm just going to keep repeating those steps until that section is complete. Alright, so all of the back is mini twist. So now I'm just refreshing the front with some warm water, adding that oiling cream by CurlSmith. And then I'm also going to add the Jamaican Black Castor oil and the Moroccan oil, and then rake it on in with the Tangled Teaser. Now I'm doing flat twists in the front, so gonna oil it, add that Jamaican Black Castor Smoothie by Shea Moisture, and just flat twist it on down. ending it the same way, finger coil scrunch. And as you see, I went ahead and did both sides, and this is the last one. Now my hair is done. Gotta get them edges. Oh yeah, slay it. And I'm using that Cantu avocado. I love this gel. Y'all know I'm not a gel person, but this really works for me and my edges. Look at that. I'm loving it. I really do love it. You can see my natural curls popping at the end. That's the point of doing the scrunching and the finger coils, just to bring your natural curls back. And thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you tried these products. And until next time, bye.